A lot of times I speak to Shay, and a lot of times I speak to Jaden. But then again, Jaden just not have not even birth paper for lose. Yeah, remember Jaden full of name like directory. It's nice when the internet drag you for the truth than drag you for a nasty attitude that you always a display. The lesson in all of this is that sometimes we think we're sweet and we stink because just 2 seconds ago my brother did a make a round on the app. How everybody turned against us now. That is a lesson learned. Why is she afraid for answer? She not afraid for answer. Let me tell you something. Don't disrespect. Listen. You see, when in a chat, when you a set of germs bag, all I want to have it to say, let me say this. A lot of you guys have it to say that Shay is afraid to answer me. Nobody is afraid to answer anybody. You see, because you guys are small-minded, you understand me? Because on a narrow-minded, I'm going to say something to you. You see, whatever I said to Shay on my life, it might not sit well with her. However, deep down inside, she knows it's the truth. She knows it's the truth. And we're not going to prolong the Shay and Jaden argument. We're not going to prolong that. A lot of you guys are so negative. You know, Latifula there, I did not ask a question. Exactly, Lati. I did not ask a question. A lot of you guys are too negative, and this is the problem with Uno. Uno not have no true friendship. Before you gain somebody that respects you, you have to be true to yourself. If you not be true to yourself, who the hell is going to be true to you? Exactly. Whether them like it, yes or no. You give them some time. You give them some time. Exactly. Who no want put in a Shay head say me I disrespect her. If you see, this is the sole reason why Shay and Jaden fall out. You see, when I was hinting Shay, all I want to sit down under the screen recording and say, from King come right down. Shebada always shading Shay. No. No. That is why I am not everybody's cup of tea, because my cup no come with no angle. It a go burn, you know.
And if I saw friendship, I mash up and mash up.
And if I saw friendship, I go mash up. Yeah. So let it be. Me not pay Shay. I'm not paying Shay's bills. You understand me? And Shay isn't paying mine. So what is it that we have to hold on to? You know what is most of you guys' problem, and I'm going to say this. You see, it was a trap. It was a trap. Shebi, what do you mean by it was a trap? A lot of you came on my program when the argument ensued. Because when the thing say, me never did I go split justice. A lot of you who in a comment section talk about Shebi talk truth, wanna get what wanna expect. And that is the problem. You see, like wanna get what wanna expect, here wanna go do now, psychology. Wanna go and talk, so Shay you afraid of Shebi. Shay you can't answer Shebi. Shebi, why Shay is afraid to answer you? That's not true. All of we have mouth, none of we not talk true about apart from Raja. I don't know how she dropping on the argument again. But Raja got charge your bottom. You get what me I say? A lot of you are gonna cause this on the app. A lot of you know why I spoke to Shay like that yesterday? She's not somebody that you can reason with when she believes that she wants to bring down somebody or state a point. That is why I spoke to her in a language that she understood. No, you guys are trying to make it bad based on the fact that you don't want the girl to feel bad. Don't. Why you not answer this? Shay can't answer me. But I me for reply. Is it that me I go reply? What if she answer me and me not feel for reply? Or it I go go?
Good done.
The argument I go just done right there, so. Don't do that. Don't do that. We not come for live on the people them and the people them argument. We not come for do that. So stop bringing up the argument. Yeah. Make Queenie not answer me. Queenie don't answer me because Queenie don't know me. And that is the first thing. Oh, you gotta argue with the unknown. Queenie don't know me. What Queenie gonna tell me say? So stop saying that Queenie answer me. Stop saying that Queenie cuss me. Stop saying that Queenie class me. Cause Queenie don't know me. You understand me? Me and Queenie are not friends. Just check out that. Me and one of them who can hype up. First and foremost, who are class me. You don't know me. So when I try build something, I'm not like that. Cause me can't tell the Queen to her face, you don't know nothing about me Queenie. Me never hang out like Shay. Eh? So what you gonna say about me? So when you come with news or stories like this when you fabricate it, now gonna work over here. You understand? It's not gonna work. This is the problem why most of you guys are not fit or eligible to speak to anybody because we not have some hypocrite friendship I walk around with in our life. Me not ask you know, the whole of our hypocrite towards don't turn siblings. You see me? Me gonna tell you my truth. They say if it sit well with you, that's up to you. But this is how I see you. And yeah, my baby, yes, sweet girl. And this is just my truth. You don't have no real friend around you. So every night, everybody you walk with, you have to look over on the shoulder. Because no one is there to tell you the truth. Remember a lot of you guys bash me on the app, you know? You know why you bash me? For talking the truth. And everything when I talk come to pass. Why is that so?
Remember you see before it happened.
Exactly. Who was the blind one? And enough of them say my bad mind and envious. And you know what?
Thing we talk about the gods.
Every single thing. If it not happen today, it happen tomorrow. All I want to hear people say you're bad mind, you're envious. But a lot of times I speak to Shay and a lot of times I speak to Jaden. But then again, Jaden just not have not even birth paper for lose. Yeah, remember Jaden full of name like directory. It's nice when the internet drag you for the truth than drag you for a nasty attitude that you always a display. The lesson in all of this is that sometimes we think we're sweet and we stink. Because just 2 seconds ago, my brother did make a round on the app. How everybody turned against us now. That is a lesson learned. That is a lesson learned. And you have to understand all of these. But we're always a dip yes and a dip this so. No, it's true. We're always a dip yes and a dip this so. It's a lesson learned. Because 2 minutes ago, you feel as if you were just on the pinnacle. And now to see everybody, how you feeling of yourself, that's a number one. And it goes to show you that this is the devil's playground. No loyalty, no there, so. No loyalty. So when you come here, so for look at approval,
you cut and go through.
call love in your heart. As simple as that. 2 minutes, me your body.
And when you look at your
and 2 minutes later, remember I have receipts.
And everything I received.
And everything is received. It doesn't look good. It's giving a bad look on everybody, not just rankers.
You believe that me your friend. Me are supposed to talk. If we are supposed about the pin, we are supposed about the pin. We're not supposed to have gone about who we used to live before. Yeah. We're supposed to talk the thing where we are talking about. We're not supposed to go up and Dick, Tom and Arrow used to chat. I saw friendship go.
Yeah.
That is friend.
Nobody, after that situation here, nobody not supposed to go through no friendship problem. Alright? You're supposed to analyze the friends them
and
now.
if me and your friend, I'm come at your place.
Yes.
I'm not supposed to take out my phone and video my friend place.
That is disrespectful.
Yeah, you're not supposed to act me that way. No.
It is just the truth. The things
because mouth of a meat, you know.
teeth and tongue after me.
You know. But we can meet.
Our meat pan, we meet pan. If at the party we meet pan, we go meet pan the party.
I will crash it that we're done.
It done. Everything done.
But we don't like with the people. Everything them bring for media and them have phone number. Them have them one another number can call and say.
Alright.
Like
let me use me for example. You notice how everybody view me nasty, carnage, wicked and stay bad man and everything. But you will never see me bring something personal upon the app. You're not see me bring something personal upon the app. Everybody believe that here is a safe zone. Everybody believe that right here so is a safe zone. It's not dream chaser.
That's why I'm glad I'm more banger. More peanut phone when you ring me just answer.
More look a ground. Me flip it and I see the asphalt and the dust. No, it's true. And it is so sad when you love two persons and you see them going at it and then you analyze it and you say, my God, them people here want disinfectant for cough medicine. A germs them here. They want disinfectant for cough medicine. It is so sad.
Be a friend. You come in here and know me videos. When they in and put something, we are going to bring up all that. We are sure receipts.
Exactly the same thing that you say. Why are they collecting receipts?
Yeah, that no need it.
This make you afraid of all your
no,
mother.
This, tell you, when they collect receipt, you and the person is not friend. Are you enemy that?
Number one, if me come in your yard, I understand who you are based on your character. You surprise me, I say Jesus to myself. Then she, boy, me I tell the people wicked here. Alright, me can't come and build in and you sit here and see all the roach around and step on it. So, I mean, I have to tell you to kill the roach. Me now go, me and you kick off about me not coming for you. Me and you kick off about me not coming for you. Me now have to tell you say, move your nasty roach kingdom. Remember say Rochdale you live in. Remember you live at Rochdale Crescent. Me not have to cuss you and tell you about that. And that is our problem on the app. It's true. You don't do stuff like me certain things me not respect. Let me tell you something. Certain things I will not go for on the app. But you see the app is very careless. And you see only in your comment section we follow up live at night time. Eh? The prophet said only if we were friends. If we not, no. That is the problem. If we're not friends, we expect say my class say dog rotten.
Yeah. But if we tell ourselves so we are best
if me pretend to the public that we are friends, trust and believe, me can't come out and cuss in a certain way now, but make you start the nasty cussing. Yeah. That's the level. You see, depending on how you cuss me, I some cuss you.
I'm going to tell you, some people have some little simple thing when they can talk over.
Yeah.
And they make it be a big problem.
Remember me not talk yet, you know? Oh.
So the thing we can crash down and make it done.
You don't have to. Not only big up yourself. You don't have to. No real friends not about.
None.
Me say, me have mudfish in my house and thank you Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Glory to the Son of Almighty God. God tell me million years ago, say you and that boy won't be friends forever. And I never understand what God has said. And when me and Twep them kick off, mudfish in my house a message Twep. When me and Twep the pan live a course, mudfish they beside me, I text Twep. A lucky thing mudfish never say I would have drop out of my hole or my mouth. A lucky thing mudfish not have no dirt for me people. Cause God always cover me. Me tell you say I learn a lesson and that is why I spoke to Shay like that yesterday. Because this is Shay remind me of mudfish. and no disrespect, no lie about it. Remind me of mudfish. No disrespect, my baby. It's when me see attitude like this, it drag me right back. And I can tell you, it's wickedness.
No, them tell you loyalty, it's when couscous.
Yeah. Yes.
If you come on my house and you see my bed spread, you have video it.
I don't spread my bed. I mean, I have to spread my bed because I pay good money for
you. You would come on and toilet have a look up this night and you have a video. I mean, you would have a member for flush it.
Yeah, I don't have a member.
I mean, I have a member.
I hear me not ask you.
That's why I don't keep friend, you know.
Trust
my
me.
My friend and my opinion them.
Oh.
But my friend and
my friend at 25.
Oh, I don't want nobody in my yard, nobody in my space.
Exactly. Somebody said Liverpool reach Jaden and Shay. No, sometimes you have to, let me tell you something. You have to watch your surrounding. It's not everyone in your room is in your corner. Always remember that. Some people draw close to you to gain information from you.
They say me, you want somebody a post and somebody come and say, you know, so Shebada that chat to you. I don't want to hear nothing from you, know.
No.
Because one somebody can't talk.
That I always say.
One somebody can't. I don't want to hear nothing from your cat. And the reason I don't want to hear, when you and the person was a friend, it's never bust out.
Yeah.
You never bust it out. So you can't keep it.
And one thing me know, me expect anybody to chat me.
My mother always tell me that.
Yeah.
When a girl and you post, and you hear a girl say your friend and her chat you or she chat you, make it stay there.
Make it stay right there, so.
You don't want to hear nothing.
Nothing more. Me expect.
I'm not going to beat up my chest.
Exactly. Me expect anybody to chat me.
I'm not going to beat up my chest.
And one thing with
anything
me.
You want to say, you say. Important, make you call
yeah. Me not going to one friendship and expect say you not going to chat. One day you going to chat me. You going to chat me dirty ways because all of we have dirty attitude. One day you going to chat say, no, say me, you have an attitude that me not like. I'm have to respect it. Whichever way you want to put it. And at that much we not understand about each other. If I am your friend, it is my duty to understand who me are.
And you know say you have some friend, you don't have to do them nothing for them chat you.
Me not ask you.
Nothing you don't have to do them for them chat you. No, it's
true. It is
you
so
have some
sad.
Friend just can't have loyalty.
You have some friend who are miserable. You have some friend who is not loyal to nobody, not even to themselves. You have to understand those friends and know how far to take them. So if you pass out over the ear say, so I chat me, you know.
You have a friend and they know you one time.
Never met them. No. My mother say, once bitten, twice shy.
I learned that. The next time I did, you go there.
No, Roxanne, not true. Yeah. You have some friends, no matter what, they are who they are. That's why I mean I like people come close to me. You stay over there, so I stay over here, so the best of you. Now come close to me, Kira. Don't come close to me.
I love you, say.
I them one them afraid of.
Everything them
I them one them afraid of. Me hate the one them.
I love you, my friend, I love you.
If me love you, people that think say me don't like you. And I'm a genuine
love you. Me I stay far from you.
What?
I love that.
Because me I secure you.
Alright.
Yeah. Me no want to contaminate you. Me love you.
Yeah, some people me love you. My friend, I love you. Tell my friend, I love you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my head on the block.
No, me chop it off myself. Yeah. Somebody asked me a question. You ever have a friend with full of problem? It's like them always accuse people. Well, come here, let me tell you about that. I'm glad you asked that. You see the girl and the boy, they're full of problem. Full of problem. Full of problem. You see the girl and the boy, they're full of problem. Full of problem. Full of problem. Full of problem. as TikTok share hype up or froze him out. Any friend you have, we always a got funeral, drop them. Drop that friend. No. Sometimes I saw TikTok she deal. You understand me? Anyhow you have a friend, we always a follow up funeral, you get rid of that friend ASAP. Yeah. ASAP. Drop that friend, we always a follow up funeral. You see, if you have a friend where the only thing them can come on you with is negativity, drop that friend, chica. Drop that friend. You see, if you have a friend who's full of problem, run. Run. ROUDDN. Run.
Run for your life.
Run. You never know. If you have a friend with them and them man always in a problem, do not sit and listen to them. You have a relationship where go sour too. You know, say it's not like you have a relationship where go sour. If you have a relationship and you have a friend, we always, she and a man always a kick off, and she come to you, run she or you run you. Let me tell you that.
Ever have problem, you know?
Ever have problem.
You know them full like so.
2 times to the week.
Jesus. I feel it there.
Yeah.
One come off, one gone, one
You never
come.
know. They mash up your... Hey, come here. Just try this. Have a friend who have problem regular with a man. And you see how often that transfer to you. You ask yourself the question, why am I like this? How comes my relationship with you so? Ask them. If you have a friend who tell you, say, I'm broke and them ever broke, avoid them. Avoid them. You see, if you have a friend who ever tell you, say, them broke, avoid them. You know what happen? Whatever little you have,
I'm begging, baby.
me not reach this yet.
I'm begging.
Me not reach this yet, you know.
I'm begging.
No man, a beggy friend. You see a beggy friend? No care all your house pack of food.
When you see that friend there come and they pot your wine.
I true we don't know. We don't know spiritual warfare. That is why we invite people in our house when a need for coming in our house. And when once you invite people who don't need for coming in your house one time, if you're not spiritual, I'm sorry. But whatever demon them leave in your house follow you. You could have moved to the deepest part of the sea, it follow you. You see things will happen on the app in the physical, check it out in the spiritual, and we get a better understanding. Sometimes you go through a problem in the physical, and you say, Father God, me don't know how me go overcome. Be this and this, go in the spiritual, and you see, say, it already work out. It work interchangeably. For those who know quantum physics, would understand whatever is happening in the physical, check it out, you already win. If you feel like you are losing in the physical, you're winning in the spiritual. If you claim it in the spiritual, it manifests in the physical. You never know that. That's why I say if you invite some people in your place, you're not supposed to come there, you could have moved a dozen times the demon with them carried the day. When mudfish kick off with the mother and stepfather, Olaba, and come at my house the Monday morning, I'm going to open my door, the Lord say, where the boy you do ya? Run him! He never know where I do. I got it in the spirit, and I never run him, and how it play out for me. You have to be careful who you entertain around you, because some people have some problems walking with. They are not your baggages, and them come on you and leave it right with you, and you don't even realize say them leave it right with you. Sometimes it's best if you all are meds by yourself. You go and your friend them go smoke and drink. You can't do it by yourself. Yes, Shika, Oreo, please, my baby, Oreo. You understand me? The internet is too negative. Appear demonic entities upon the internet. And when me tell you this, you understand. When me tell you this, Shireen, you're going to get a block right now. Yeah, when me tell you this, you understand, honestly. My moderator them no ramp, you're going to get a block right now. See there? Backside. Yeah. Yeah. Wanna let people around, you know. Wanna make people, wanna invite Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Wanna let in some demons around, you know. Wanna let in some demons. Well, go up on the up, you know, witchcraft, you know. From both parties, you know. You not understand that, you know. What happened over the week? Over the course of the week, right? A witchcraft. It's witchcraft. A piece of curse, you know. Me I telling you something. You notice how long the argument have group on the app? Just something me I highlight. You notice how long the argument have group on the app? You notice how it not get much reaction? You notice when I came up and I said, we need to stop this now. X, Y, and Z. You notice the reaction rate gets? You see the energy rate come with? It make all who did that pick said have to agree that it is slack and nasty. What does that say? You have to be careful of the spell where people want to put you under. You have to be careful. Wanna have children growing, wanna have a relationship growing. Be careful of the demonic forces wanna invite around, you know. The devil not like, you know. Some of the things they wanna say happen and you feel good about it. Trust and believe. Them say when you think of peace and safety is sudden destruction. Use sleep and mark that. Guide your surrounding. Know the people them will try to come in your circle. Avoid who is not necessary. You know, thank you, my baby. Avoid who is not necessary. You understand me? I see what is necessary to your spirit. Work with it. First, you have to find out what kind of spirit you have to work with. Because someone have some nasty spirit to work with. You have to go cleanse yourself before you can walk straight and narrow, because whatever is happening, it is about to get worse and you're going to miss your way. My love on you, stay blessed, sleep sweet, be brave and love and have a blessed night. Big up on yourself, put God before everything and everyone.